My Villa Deluxe family, while we are grateful that the villa is doing fine, there are many people in Jamaica that was not so fortunate. Christmas in Jamaica this year will not be the same. There are many families right now who are in need of basic supplies like diapers, wipes, soap, toothpaste, basic things as salt. They need it. They need it, guys. And that is why Villa Deluxe is doing a give back drive, and we will love your support. Persons will ask, so Nisha, how does it work? We have gone ahead and created an Amazon cart with the needed items. All you have to do is go inside our bio and click the Amazon link, and you can purchase one or as many items you would like to contribute. You will send it to the address in the card. The items will go directly to the shipper. We will document the process for you. We will show you what we receive, how many stuff we receive, when we are packing it, when the items get to Jamaica, and then when we are giving them out to the family in need. Every item, every share, every gesture matter. I'll see you soon. I'm here in Jamaica, and I will definitely keep you posted.